Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. In this video, we will talk about setting up content security policy for Teams app. Desk Director uses content security policy headers as a security measure to help prevent malicious attacks. To ensure proper functionality, you'll need to configure the Frame Ancestors settings in your Desk Director admin portal. Make sure to include the following portals in the configuration: Authentication Portal, Client Portal, and Tech Portal. To automatically set up the required configuration, go to your admin portal, navigate to Integrations, and click on Teams. In the Embedding Configuration section, open the drop-down menu and enable both Client Portal and Tech Portal options. This will automatically update your CSP configuration with the necessary allow list. That is how you set up content security policy for Teams app. Thank you for watching today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.